Good morning, Four Pine. Four Pine, good morning. Yes, good morning to everyone. Class Four Pine. I am audible and visible to everyone. Write over the chat box. I am audible and visible to everyone. Okay. Okay, very good. That means from our side the net connection is proper. Yes. Now one more thing. Everyone mute your microphone and switch off your camera. Okay. So that my voice should be clear to everyone. My voice should be clear to everyone. And those who are not able to see, Audrija, disconnect and join again. Audrija, disconnect and join again. Oishwarya, switch off your camera. Ragini also, switch off the camera. Switch off the camera. Soham, switch off your camera. Otherwise, my voice will not be clear to you. Soham Ghosh, switch off your camera. Okay, come to Math Magic. For Math Magic, we have completed up to page number 49, isn't it? Up to page number 49, we have completed our page. See, in page 49, there was a story of Tuntun. How they have missed the train, that you have read in page number 49, isn't it? That Tuntun, there is a boy who has gone to his grandma's house, and there he met his cousins, and he was very happy as the cousins were there, and he was also enjoying in grandma's house, and he doesn't want to come back. So he was just wishing that I wish we miss the train. And just think, exactly that happens when they came to the platform. Actually, they have missed the train. Now, why they have missed the train? The answer was, or the guess was, actually they have missed the train because in the railway tickets the time is shown according to the 24-hour clock, isn't it? So, if it is according to the 24-hour clock, 5:30 means it is in the morning 5:30, whereas they have thought 5:30 in the evening, but actually in 24-hour clock 5:30 is in the morning, and for evening it will be 17:30 in 24-hour clock. How it is 17:30? You have to add. Okay, if it is 5:30, so 5:30 plus 12, so 12 plus 5, 17, and 30 minutes, so minutes will be as it is. This is the we are counting for 24-hour clock. Okay, I will tell you some more. You just come to page number 50. You just come to page number 50. Yes, Audrija, you are right. Now, in page number 50, I am reading the book, you just go through it. Actually, the train had left at 5:30 in the morning. Tuntun's parents were upset. They asked the station master. Now, they have missed the train and they were very upset. So, there is a conversation between the father and the station master, that is given here. See, our ticket says 5:30. Now, the father, he is asking to station master that our ticket is saying 5:30. Now, station master, he is explaining, but sir, this means 5:30 in the morning, because there were AM and PM was not mentioned. It was only mentioned 5:30. Okay, if it is mentioned AM and PM, then they could have understood. Since it is written only 5:30, that means it is mentioned in the 24-hour clock. See, after that, oh yes, how could I forget that? The railways will write 17:30 for 5:30 in the evening. So, for 5:30 in the evening, they are writing 17:30. They are not using AM and PM, rather they are writing the digit in the 4 digit, the time in the 4 digit. Okay. Now, see what Tuntun is saying. Why Because they use a 24-hour clock. Mother is saying that they are using a 24-hour clock. Look at this chart. It tells the difference between your watch and a 24-hour clock. Try to complete it. Now, there is a difference given in 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. You have to complete that one in the book itself. Okay. See, in 12-hour clock, we are using AM and PM. That means from 12 noon to 12 midnight, we are using PM. Similarly, from 12 midnight to 12 noon, we are using AM. This is for 12-hour clock, and in 12-hour clock, the time comes 2 times. That means, if I am mentioning 2:30, so 2:30 once it is AM also comes in the morning, and 2:30 PM in the afternoon we are also writing 2:30. So, in a 12-hour clock the time comes now what to do? Connection is not there, sir. Do it again. I will continue. I will continue. Okay, students, now come to 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. So, this question you will do it in the book. See, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 o'clock in the afternoon means it is 1 PM. In 12-hour clock you are writing 1 PM. Similarly, for 24-hour clock you are writing 12 plus 1, 13. So, 13 hours. Similarly, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So, 2 o'clock in the afternoon you are writing 2 PM, and in 24-hour clock 12 plus 2 it is 14. So, you will write 14 hours. Similarly, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, 3 o'clock in the afternoon means it is 12-hour clock and this side 24-hour clock. 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock. Now 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we are also writing 3 p.m. isn't it? 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we are also writing 3 p.m. and in 24 hours, it will be 1500 hours. 12 plus 3, 15. That's why 1500 hours. Now 3 o'clock, sorry, 3:30 in the afternoon. 3:30 in afternoon. So in 12-hour clock, we can write 3:30 p.m. isn't it? In afternoon, we are writing 3:30 p.m. and in 24-hour clock, it will be 1530 hours. It will be 1530 hours. Next is 6 o'clock in the evening. 6 o'clock in the evening, or you can write it is 6 p.m. So in 24-hour clock, we will write 6 plus 12, it is 18. 18 hours. Okay. Now come to the next one, 9 o'clock in the evening. 9 o'clock in the evening, we are writing 9 p.m. and in 24-hour clock, it will be 12 plus 9. You will add 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9. So 12 plus 9 will be you will write in the book. Zoya, you will write in the book. Okay. Zoya, you will write in the book. So 9 o'clock or 9 p.m. it will be 21 hours. 21 hours. Then last one. 12 o'clock in the midnight. 12 o'clock in the midnight. For midnight in 12-hour clock you are writing 00.00, okay. Whereas in 24-hour clock you will write 2400 hours. Okay. That means for 12-hour clock you will write AM and PM. Whereas for 24-hour clock you will add the number with 12 and then you will write. In AM it will be in 4-digit numbers, whereas in PM you will add the number. Suppose it is 6 PM. So 6 plus 12, 18 PM. Okay. Suppose it is 3:30 in the morning, 3:30 AM. In 24-hour clock it will be 0330 hours. Okay. The minutes remains the same, only the change is in the hours place for 24-hour clock. Is that clear to everyone? Now come to page 51. See page 51. Now can you tell why a 24-hour clock is called so? So why it is called 24-hour clock? A 24-hour clock shows the time for the whole day. Okay. A 24-hour clock shows the time for the whole day. That's why it is called so. Now suppose a train leaves at 8:30 at night. The time written on the railway ticket would be. Now you have to answer that in a railway ticket what the time will be mentioned. If it is 8:30 at night. In 12-hour clock 8:30 at night it will be 8:30 PM. Okay, it will be 8:30 PM and in 24-hour clock it will be this is page number 51. 8:30 at night, that means it is 8:30 PM and you will write 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8, that means 20, and 30 is the minute, so it will be as it is. 20-30 hours. 20-30 hours. Okay. Now see, in a 12-hour clock, each time comes twice in a day. So 5:30 in the morning is 5:30 a.m. 5:30 in the evening is 5:30 p.m. This a.m. and p.m. you have already done in composite maths. Okay. So what about 12:30 in the afternoon? That is 12:30 p.m. After 12 o'clock at noon we use p.m. till midnight. So this a.m. p.m. you know that from 12 noon to midnight 12 we are using p.m. and from midnight 12 o'clock to 12 noon, up to 12 noon we are using a.m. that is anti-meridian, and p.m. is the post-meridian. Okay. Now come to the next one. You must have noted the time of sunrise and sunset right here using a.m. and p.m. You have to write the time for sunrise and sunset according to a.m. and p.m. right? Can you tell me what is the time of sunrise? Write over the chat box. 4 pine. Time of sunrise and time of sunset. Write it the answer. Audrija. Yes, Tanishta is right. 5 a.m. Zoya is also right. That means in the morning near about 5 to 5:30 or 6 you are able to see the sun, isn't it? So in the book you write the time of sunrise. In the book you write, yes, Noyanika, it is 5:30. Zoya, it is 6:35 p.m. For what reason? Sun sets at 6:35 p.m. No. At 6:35 p.m. it is dark, isn't it? Yes, you all are correct. It is near about 5 to 5:30. The sun rises. So you will rise. The sun rises at 5:46 a.m. I am writing 5:46. Okay. I am writing 5:46. Yes, sunset. Yes, sunset is near about 6 o'clock. Near about 6 o'clock. Okay. So write it. The sun sets at 6 o'clock, but it will be in p.m. Okay, it will be in p.m. Write this one in the book. Write this in the book. Okay. Now come to the next one. Where have you seen a 24-hour clock being used? Now answer this one. Answer this one. Where you have seen a 24-hour clock? Where you have seen a 24-hour clock? Give the examples. Give the examples where you have seen the 24-hour clock. Give the example. Television. Very good, Noyanika. Many times in the television, the programs they are given at the according to the 24-hour clock. And railway station. Yes, Audrija, you are right. Railway station, airport. Yes, Shoiloja also. Railway station, it is we are using the digital clock. In railway stations we are using the digital clock, isn't it? So you can see the 24-hour clock in the railway stations. Devdeep, mobile phone is your personal thing, and in the mobile phone there is one option, settings. It is fully dependent on you what type of time you are setting. Either you are time setting 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock. Okay, the time is up to you. If you are setting it according to 24-hour clock, then it will show you according to 24-hour clock. If you are setting 12-hour clock, then it will show you 12-hour clock. But where it is always it is shown 24-hour clock, that place you have to write. Yes, Tanveer, bus stand is also right. Bus stand is also right. Okay, write it in the book. In airport timetable. In airport timetable. Second, in railways timetable. In railways timetable. And in bus timetable. Okay. In bus timetable, see, whenever you are seeing the timetables, suppose you are going to some other place and you are sitting in a station and you are seeing the timetables, you can see in the big digital board always the time is in 24 hours and the name of the train, the time, the name of the train, and when it will when it will come to the station, that is mentioned. Okay. So, always in the airport, railways and bus stand, the timetable is always written in the 24-hour clock. So, even some of the watches also they have this 24-hour clock. Yes, Adriti is right. Even some of the watch which you are wearing, the wristwatch, they have the 24-hour clock time showing you. Okay. So, yes, you all are giving the correct answer. Listen, today's homework is that you will practice this 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock, because in composite maths we have this 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Okay. So, you will practice this one, and if you have any problem you will ask me over the e-portal. Okay. So, in 24-hour clock you will use if any time is given, suppose it is given 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. So, you will add 12 plus 9, that means 21. This is for the 24-hour clock, and in the morning it will be 0900, 0900. Okay. Yes, Tanveer, it is correct. You are using this type of times. Yes, Audrija, you are also correct. In the space research, place, you are using this type of times. Yes, very good. That means you are exploring yourself. Very good, Om Raj. Very good. You are not answering, but the thumbs up you are giving. Thumbs up he is giving. Okay. So, kindly you practice this 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. Okay. In your book as well as in your daily routine, you also practice it. And for today, up to this only. In our next class we will start our new chapter. Okay, for Math Magic. In our next class we will start the new chapter, that is the way the world looks in Math Magic. And for composite, whatever the videos I am giving offline, you kindly follow that offline videos and try to complete the composite maths also. Okay. So, that is all for today, and bye all of you.